Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can become a Wix partner. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. So right now, if you go here to the center, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your Wix dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So, so basically, guys, this is the dashboard for people who don't have the Wix partner. But if you have a Wix partner, if you are a partner, you're going to have a totally different dashboard. So if you want to be a partner on Wix, go ahead and search for partner program for Wix. And then here, as you can see, guys, join the partner program to unlock benefits that scale with your agency, including revenue share, priority support, and lead opportunities. So you can either learn more to learn more about it, or you can just apply to be a Wix partner. Click on apply now. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Do More with Wix Studio, the platform for agencies and freelancers. What's new in Wix Studio? More site building options. Keep building in the Wix editor or in the new responsive Studio editor. New ways to earn, sell custom templates and apps, and get revenue share from client sales and subscriptions. One team workspace, manage sites, templates, support tickets, and client handover, and more. So, if you want to switch to Wix Studio, go ahead and click on Switch to Wix Studio. And then we're going to be able to experience the Wix Studio dashboard. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.